Khatun, I will be unmuting you now. Please be ready with your presentation.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to explain the Son River. Son River plays a very significant role among all Indian rivers. The Son River originated near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh, just east of the Narmada River headwater. Son River follows parallel to the Cameroon from an east-north direction. It follows through the mainly three states, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Bihar, to join the Ganga River, just near Maner, Patna, Bihar. The Son River is the second largest southern tributary of the Ganga River. Indian oldest river bridge, Kolwar Bridge over the Son River connects Ara with Patna city. The total length of Son River is 784 kilometers. In Bihar, it is the 202 kilometers. The Son River is a home to numerous fish species that mainly including common carp, labio species, massive, along with other various aquatic organisms that is a very important for food and feed. The aim of the present study is compared to the present status and previous status of anthropogenic diversity in Son River, Bihar, India. Fish serve as the keystone species within an ecosystem, exerting a vital influence on the distribution of other organisms. They serve as the highly effective indicator. Hello, hello, I'm audible.
You are audible, yes.
Okay, thank you. Freshwater ecosystem are among the most standard on the planet with the highest rate of the vertebrate existing record in freshwater fishes in the 20th century. Therefore, it is important that we keep evaluating the biodiversity from time to time and take care of the factors that are leading to the loss of the species. And next methodology. They are the various methods of the fish species identification, including traditional methods, which are used to identify one species from other species. The most practical, efficient, and economical method is to differentiate fish species based on their physical characteristics, such as the classical method of the species identification. Morphological character, it refers to an organism shape, structure, and appearance. Thus, characteristics include size, color, appearance, organ presence, and other obvious physical traits. Morphometric character, it analyzes which focus on the quantitative measurement of the various body parts, such as the body length, body depth, and feeling. Meristic character, it quantify countable characteristics like the quantity of the fin rays, scale, and vertebrate. And descriptive character, it refers to the physical appearance, color pattern, distinct feature, and the presence and absence of the certain fins. The next results. The status of fish biodiversity on Son River has been assessed by the several researchers from 1957 till now, with varying reports. Motwani MP et al. In 2017 conducted studies that revealed the high fish diversity of Son River. They found total 95 fish species belonging to 20 families and 10 orders, while Joshi Kedi et al. In 2014 reported 89 fish species belonging to 25 species and 12 family and 10 orders. Following the construction of Indrapuri Barrage, Shahu Arke et al. In 2023 studied estimated the freshwater fish biodiversity in Son River in Madhya Pradesh, identifying 95 fish species from 9 families and 5 orders. In the Son River, hydrological factor favored for the growth of Vitiponal. A comprehensive study was undertaken to examine the changes of fish species diversity at Son River. Gunasekar et al. In 2017 documented 25 freshwater fish species belonging to 12 families and 5 orders, while three studies and conducted revealed that the 41 fish species belonging to 19 families and 10 orders. The family salinity was dominant in all studies. And next, yeah, this figure represents the fish biodiversity in Son River, which has been studied by the various researchers over period of the year and then compare the understood how biodiversity changes over year. And according to Motwani MP et al., maximum species of the fish were found in 1957, while Joshi KD et al. Studies found the maximum families in 2014. Next. No. Yeah. This table is showing fish diversity status of Son River in Bihar by the different studies. First study done by Motwani MP et al. In 1957 at Dairy on Son. Second study done by Joshi Kedi et al. In 2014 at Kolwar. Third study done by Gunasekar et al. In 2017 at Dairy on Son. And fourth study done by the Shahu Arke et al. In 2023 Shahu. And fifth study done by me in 2023 at Indrapur. All these studies indicate that the biodiversity changes from 1957 to 2023. This may have happened because of the changes in water temperature, pressure, pollution of Son River, changes in fish habitats and migration pathway. It also tells us that the biodiversity is increasing slowly from the 2017 and now supports more freshwater fish species as compared to previous study.
Amriya, you have 1 minute left. Please use it wisely. Thank you.
Hello? Yeah. No, Papa. Yeah. This figure represents 3 freshwater fish species. These 3 species has been found from 1957 to 2023. And column in the left represent the classification of these species, where picture of the species are shown in the right column. Elacolia species belong to Siluriformes order and Silvidae family. Ompak bimiculatus and Valago auto both are belong to the Siluriformes order and Siluridae family. Elacolia and Ompak bimiculatus both are near threatened species and Valago auto vulnerable species according to IUCN status. These 3 species found in all studies from 1957 to 2023. These species are in IUCN status near threatened and vulnerable. But even then, these species found the continuing Son River in Bihar. And next table. Yeah. Table shows comparative pH, temperature, habit, lifespan, and maximum length of this fish species. Elacolia, also commonly known as the Gangetic Elia and local name Batasi. The fish can reach up to the 30 centimeter in length, and it is usually silver with a curved head and small sharp teeth. Lifespan of the 1 year to 1.45 years. Temperature 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, pH 6.5 to 7.2 of water temperature is favorable for growth of population of this fish. Its economic value on the species is also used for research purpose because of its phylogenetic importance. Compact bimiculatus, also known as the butter catfish and local name chichara, adult fish can reach up to the 45 centimeter in length. Their appearance is brownish gray in color with the 2 distinct black spots on their backs, hence the name bimiculatus. They can live up to 4.5 years. Economically important food fish and complete genomic sequence is available. 20 to 26 degree temperature and 6 to 8 pH of water is favorable for this growth. Valago auto, also known as the Valago catfish and local name boar, adult can reach up to 240 centimeter in length and 40 kg in weight, and olive brownish dark brown in color with a sharp spine on pectoral and dorsal fins. They are known to the migrate long distance between river and reservoir and prefer large deep river and lakes with a muddy and the sandy bottom. They can live up to 10 years in captivity and 19 to 29 degrees Celsius temperature and 6 to 7.6 pH of water is favorable for this growth. An important food fish in Asia and also popular among the gratifying angler for their size and fighting ability. Next, conclusion. Yeah. It concluded that biodiversity has declining from 1957 to 2023 due to stress factors such as changes in temperature, pressure, pollution, etc. The family salinity was found to be dominant in all studies. Their freshwater fish species, Elia Ompak bimiculatus, and Balaguatu are the categorized near threatened and vulnerable species according to IUCN Red List, which has been found from 1957 till now. Son River water is favorable for their growth, health, and population. This study is a step toward identifying the freshwater fish species present in Son River and conserving them for a sustainable future, giving them an environment that help them survive. And here references. And thank you all of you. And thank you Global Research Institute and Training Center for giving me opportunity to present my paper here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ambia. We only unfortunately have time for one question. So would either of our co-chairs or chair like to ask a question?
Yeah, Ambia, this is nice presentation, although you have little bit problem in the beginning. So my question is that what specific conservation strategies would you recommend to revive fish diversity in the Son River? Did you hear?
Yeah, I'm audible. Yeah. Thank you, sir,
So
for your
did
wonderful
you?
question.
Yeah, so I'm
I'm
asking
audible.
what specific conservation strategies would you recommend to revive this fish diversity in the Son River?
Sir, actually, first of all, I would like to explain that there has been no report on the fish diversity of Son River in Bihar for a long time. Last time reported on fish diversity as per Gunasekhar et al. Was published in 2017. And therefore, we reported and biodiversity of Son River at Indrapuri Dam in 2023 in Bihar. We found 41 freshwater fish species belonging to 19 families and 10 orders. That means suddenly freshwater fish diversity is increasing.
Thank you so much, Ambia.